and today we're going to be talking about birth balls. So birth balls are a really great tool for all moms throughout pregnancy and birth, especially if you're aiming to have a natural birth. So I have a little secret for you. A birth ball is nothing special. It's the same exact thing as an exercise ball. So a birth ball, which I'm sitting on right now, is really great for exercise all throughout pregnancy. When you're sitting on a birth ball, you're caused to sit upright, which is going to engage your core. And when your core is engaged, which by the way, it's a little harder to do when you're pregnant, you're also going to be stabilizing your low back muscles. So that's really important all throughout pregnancy. A birth ball is also really great for helping to open up the pelvis, which really helps for labor too. It also helps to balance your pelvic tendons, ligaments, and muscles, and it can also help increase blood flow to your uterus. I recommend to all my moms throughout their pregnancy to start using a birth ball instead of a normal chair while they're sitting. So throughout pregnancy, when you're sitting on it, I recommend just a lot of different movements. You can do hip circles, you can do figure eights with your hips, and then even just bouncing is really great for you all throughout pregnancy. During labor, there are studies that report that using a birth ball can help reduce time and even discomfort. It can help reduce anxiety and stress throughout the labor process, and because of the movement that you'll be doing with your hips, a lot of times it can help baby move into an optimal position. There are a lot of different positions that you can use the birth ball in that are going to help you throughout the labor with both discomfort and then getting baby into a better position. A lot of labor and delivery nurses are really awesome with this. OBs, midwives, and doulas are all great at that, so I would definitely recommend talking to your nurses, OBs, doulas, and midwives about that so they can help you out through the labor process. So when it comes to picking out the right birth ball or exercise ball for you, you can actually look on each of the boxes or online if you're ordering online. They should have a sizing chart the same way that you have sizing charts for your clothes. The general recommendations are to use a 55 centimeter ball if you are 5 foot 4 inches or shorter. If you're between 5'4" and 5'10", use a 65 centimeter ball. And if you're 5'10" or taller, use a 75 centimeter ball. You want to pump the ball up to where it's firm but still has a little give so you can bounce easily. And the big thing you're looking for is that your hips are either at the same level with your knees or your hips are a little bit above. If your knees are above your hips, that's not a good position for you. So there you have it, some of our tips and tricks about using a birth ball. Make sure again that you talk to your labor professionals who are going to be there with you during the birth so that they can help you have the best birth using a birth ball. Thanks so much for joining us for Buns in the Ovens. Make sure you sign up for our newsletter so that you can get Buns in the Ovens updates right to your inbox every week. Thanks so much, guys.